Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. As you must have already seen from the title of this video, in this video I want to talk about which video editor and which video recording tool I use for my video recordings. So before talking about those tools, I would like to mention something that I do not prefer this tool, or I'm not endorsing this tool in this video. I'm just from my personal experience, because I have been recording for YouTube for the last close to 4 years. And also I've recorded professional grade videos for my clients on various freelancing platforms. So I've tried a bunch of recording tools, and this is my recommendation if you wish to invest in some tools. Okay, so let's get started. So at this point, I'm basically using a tool called Screencast-O-Matic. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me use this tool's capability to list down these tools. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll create this, okay, not this box, but create a text box. Okay, so I'll create a text box here, and you see this text box, and in this text box what I can do is I can list down these tools. Okay, so the first one is Screencast-O-Matic. Okay, now this particular tool used to be called as Screencast-O-Matic back in 2020 and 2021, but later now it is being called as ScreenPal. Okay, so this particular tool, so back in the days, it used to offer some of the capabilities that some hobbyists or some early freelancers or early YouTubers can utilize for free, but now it does cost you some money. Okay, I'll talk about what exactly does it cost. So I spent around $50 on purchasing the premium version of this particular tool, and it gave me the access to all its features, most of its features, for 1 year. And I thought that it was a good idea, because for 1 year, if you just think about it, let's see. So $50, but I'll confirm it, because back in the days I purchased it for, I think it was even cheaper, but I'll confirm it by visiting the official website. But for now, let's assume if it is $50, so per month it's close to uh, I would say $4 a month. And if you think about it, 4 US dollar is equivalent to close to 400 rupees. And if you are, so I'm converting this because people might be watching this video from India, and there can be obviously, but this $4 is something that you can remember a month. Okay, now after this, there was one tool which I used extensively, uh, which is called OBS, and I'll talk about why I switched from OBS to Screencast-O-Matic. So OBS is basically a free tool. Okay, so it's a free video recording tool, and there can be other things that you can do apart from video recording as well, but I did not explore this tool much, although I did use it for video recording for close to, I guess, 1 year. But then later I found out about this tool from one of my clients, and he recommended me to use this tool. And then I started and I liked it, and I completely switched to this particular tool for all my video recordings and editings. Okay, so what what are features? So see, first of all, you have to understand that for my use case, I simply have to create some video tutorials. So I don't need to have those fancy features that modern video recording and video editors offer. So I just need a simple enough uh, tool which offers both video recording and some sort of video editing. And I found the video editing feature, And when I say video editing, I'll show you what I mean by that. So in this tool, video editing is quite simple, and intuitive. Okay, so so if you, let's say, if you have a video and if you want to insert one small clip within that video, it's very easy. If you want to cut one part of video and paste it to the other part of that same video, it's very easy. Adding images, adding overlays, and adding text, all these things, Screencast-O-Matic makes it really easy. Okay, now this was the primary reason that I switched from OBS to video editing, sorry, from OBS to Screencast-O-Matic, and that reason was video editing, because I needed a way to quickly edit my videos, and that was the reason. Although you guys can let me know if OBS also offers video editing, but I don't think it offers a very intuitive way, because the moment you open OBS, you can get quite intimidated. But it is not the case with tools like ScreenPal and there are other tools as well. Okay, so yes, this is what I wanted to talk about in this video. But before I stop this video, I would like to quickly show you these features. Although while I'm recording this video, you can't see on my screen, but on in the top you can basically see, um, you get a context menu, and in this context menu I can basically select and write. I can select a writing tool. I can draw. Okay, and I can change the color as well. Okay, all right. And so within this video, so I can change color, I can change the pencil thickness. So let me now, so this is the new thickness pencil. Okay, then I have this highlighter, which while I am teaching something, I can highlight something. Let's see. So similarly, I can highlight in a different color. Okay, so maybe I would like to highlight this, or I can I can make the highlighter a little bit thicker. Okay, so yeah, so now we have got this eraser. I can erase this edge. Okay, I can erase these highlighters, and then I have tools to increase the radius of the eraser circle. Okay, and then I have this I have already showed that we have these box feature that we can use to probably show some text. Okay, and within this I can set the text color and background color. So if I, let's say, if I change the background color to this and text color to maybe this, it's possible, right? Text color to white. And then other than that, we can also change the font size. So if I want to make the text bigger, I can do that easily. I can change the font type also. So if I have to, yeah, so you see, and then there are various shapes that I can draw on the screen. So let's see, this rectangle is there, this triangle is there. So while teaching it, it can be really handy. And if I have to point to something, then I can say I can use this arrow. Okay, and again, so the moment I select the arrow, I can adjust the thickness of the arrow as well. So I can have a very thin arrow, and I can have a very thick arrow as well, right? So if I can, so there are like uh, bunch of symbols and shapes you can use. You can adjust the those uh, shapes color. So let's see, if I draw this star, so you see this shape, and I can fill those shapes. So let's see, if I use star again, and if I select the fill color to be this green, you see this star is filled. Okay, now I have this magnifier tool. This is very handy. Let's say uh, the font size on the text is quite small, I can magnify some part of text. Okay, so you see I have drawn a rectangle around that particular text, and it got magnified. Okay, now how can I demagnify it? Okay, I can keep on magnifying it, and to demagnify it I can do escape. Okay, so it demagnifies it. Now there is one more thing that we can do is we can probably use. Okay, so lastly I would like to go to ScreenPal uh, and search for ScreenPal pricing, because I purchased ScreenPal's yearly feature. One second. Yeah, I think I purchased a solo primer or solo deluxe. I let me Yeah, so it is basically paid annually. Yeah, so it was, so earlier I said it was $2 a month, $4 a month, but it is even cheaper. So so the deluxe one is um $2. And let me see what was my plan. Yeah, so I had solo deluxe. You see this? So this solo deluxe would cost you about, so if I go to go deluxe, obviously I would need to create a account and then log in. But you see this go deluxe would cost you $27, and there would be some taxation as well which would be included within this cost. So I think for a $30 amount, it's a quite wonderful deal. So yeah, so this is something that I wanted to show. Other than that, there is something more. So so uh, so once a video is recorded, it will be there on your system, and then you can edit that video. So let me open this video project that I created. Now within this video editor, I can I can go to any part of the video, and I can open tools, and you see all these tools like copy, hide, insert, overlaying. And I find these tools quite handy, because after recording a video I often get so basically I often get a thought to maybe insert something, or I might have missed something while teaching a topic. So in those scenarios, these tools help a lot. And there was one more good thing, was this story. Okay, so if I click on this story, it will open a editor where you can use this tool for, let's say, creating a movie. Okay, so if you have a movie idea, so movie is going to be created first in a storyboard. So if I click select blank storyboard, so you see you get these scenes. So within this particular, you can add a video, add your audio, add a script, and record that particular and you can add more of these by doing this section. So I found it really useful in some of my projects where I had to create some sort of animation. And then there is screenshot and image editing as well. So you not only video editing, you can do image editing as well, which is quite handy. And with image editing, you can add all these shapes and highlighting adding shapes and things like that. So uh, I just wanted to share the 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 video editor tool that I use. So yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and let me know if you want me to cover any other topic, or if you want me to cover any of these tools in much more detail. Thank you.